we're gonna make lumpia sariwa or fresh lumpia. So the makings are mixed vegetable lumpia wrapper, which is fresh, not like the one we have frozen, lettuce, arugula, dry seaweed, and peanut, crumbled peanut cakes, something like that with sugar. I think that has sugar. Okay, so now we're gonna assemble it. Start, yeah, she's assembling it. Lettuce, arugula. Actually, I like cilantro, but they don't eat cilantro here. Well, not that they, Philippines. My sister doesn't like cilantro. Heating mixed vegetable. Of course, this is her version. This has cabbage, green beans and stuff, and now she's gonna put some. That's more like a Chinese version, I think. Seaweed and then some peanut, powdered peanut. With that peanut cake has sugar, so it's gonna be a little sweet when she wraps it like that. Yeah, delicious. This is our lumpia. Lumpia. Ang sarap. See, there's saltiness sa vegetable at saka yung peanut sugar mo. Sarap. Ang sarap. This is what I miss. I think I can buy this kind of lumpia in the frozen section, but I don't buy it kasi ewan ko paano. Pero meron sa frozen yung pero siguro pang lumpiang Shanghai yun eh, pinipirito. Kasi pag na ano mo hindi na. Now I saw how he make it. Sabi niya all-purpose flour and water only. Seems like I'm stuffing my face all the time I'm here. I think y'all better get used to it when I stay here in the Philippines. That's all we do is eat. That's all they do is eat. Food trip.